how to download audio clip from your Facebook Messenger. To do so, first of all, open any browser you have in your device and then search for Facebook. Once your Facebook is opened, open the audio clip which you want to download. Now, once you have opened it, right click on your screen and one pop-up will be appeared. From here, select Inspect. Now on the top, search for Network and select Network. Now play the audio. Once you play the audio, you will see the audio option at the button. Simply hit on that and your audio will be downloaded. So in this very easy step, you can easily download any audio clip from the Messenger. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.